So let's start with Palo Alto Networks Internship Program. Palo Alto Networks is a leader in cybersecurity, and their internship program offers the chance to work on real-world security challenges, learn from top professionals, and gain valuable industry experience. They offer positions in areas like security engineering, threats analysis, and network security. The second one is IBM Security Internship Program. IBM offers a range of internships that cybersecurity that allow you to work with cutting-edge technology and learn about the latest trends in the industry. So as an intern, you're going to have the opportunity to collaborate on security research, data protection, and risk management projects. The third one is Cisco Cybersecurity Internship. Cisco, known for its networking hardware, also provides amazing cybersecurity internship opportunities. Their program focuses on everything from threat detection to incident response, giving you exposure to all aspects of cybersecurity. The fourth one is CrowdStrike Summer Internship. So CrowdStrike, a leading cybersecurity company known for its work in endpoint protection, offers hands-on internships in areas like threat hunting, security operations, and incident response. It's an excellent opportunity for those looking to get involved in cutting-edge cybersecurity research. The fifth one is Microsoft Cybersecurity Internship. So basically, Microsoft offers internships in various cybersecurity fields, including cloud security, network defense, and ethical hacking. So you're going to need to work on real-time security issues and learn from experts in one of the most secure companies in the world. The sixth one is Checkpoint Software Technologies Internship. Checkpoint offers internships focused on cybersecurity engineering, threat intelligence, and network security. It's a great place for those who want to get hands-on experience with advanced security technologies and strategies. So if you like this video, leave me a like. Love ya.